I love Italy. I have to say, when I came here, I really felt at home. I felt at home with the people. I felt at home with the language. And I'm from New Jersey. I come from English parents who maybe came from England or Scotland. There's no Italian in my family, but I don't know. I felt like, oh, this is my country. And I fell in love after a while with a man from Milano. And so we are bilingual in my house. My children speak Italian. And we try and bring Italy to America as much as we can. And we try and come over here as often as possible too.
Quindi si sente assolutamente a casa, è anche sposato con un italiano, parlano italiano e inglese
a
casa, esatto, con i figli, quindi assolutamente è un grande rapporto, un bellissimo rapporto.
Sì, un amore per l'Italia, sicuramente.
Per il nostro paese. So, you lived in New York,
sì.
Nashville now.